Hello students of RLPS of class 5th. Today your new chapter we will start, that is chapter 6. This is decimals. First of all we will know what is the decimal. So you ever read this type of number? This is 6.25. This number, this is read as 6.25. This number is called decimal number. In this number, this is called whole number part and this is called decimal part. This is called whole number part and this is called decimal part. 6.25. In this ones, in whole number part there are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. But in the decimals there are not ones, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here is only tenth, hundredth, thousandth. Take another example. This is 1645.235. This number will be rated as 1645.235. So this is called tenth, this is called hundredth, this is called thousandth, tenth, no ones is there, hundredth, thousandth, this is called ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. I hope you understood this. These are the decimal numbers. This is called whole number part, this is called whole number part, this is called decimal part. This number is read as ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This number is read as tenth, hundred and thousand. Now the next point, if we have to write this number only 1645 in numeration form means inverse form, easily we can write 1645. For write this question, this number, this will be 1645.235. Write this number in numeration form. This will be 6.25. This is the numeration form of this. Okay, I hope you understood this concept. So now listen, three definitions: decimal and decimal numbers. These decimals are called also decimal number, and decimal fraction. So what are the decimal or decimal numbers? So that the number that are written using a dot, the number written using a dot or a point, also we can say this point 6.45. the number that is written using a dot or point is called decimal number. So the number which is written using the decimal point or the dot, this number is known as decimal number. And what is the decimal fraction? So decimal fraction means the number which has numerator and denominator both. So the number, the fraction whose denominators are 10, 100, 1000 means easily we can say 10 or higher power of 10. Higher power of 10 means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Such type of numbers are called 10 higher power of 10. Simply we increase the power of 10. So the numbers that are written in the form of fraction and their denominators are 10 or higher power of 10 is known as decimal fraction. Otherwise the number written using the dot or point are known as decimal numbers or decimals simply. Now discuss the next point, that is place value and expanded form. Expanded form of the decimal numbers or decimals. Suppose that I have a number, this is 16.25. in this number we have to write this number in expanded form. Or question is write down the place value of 6, so this will be 6. Place value of 1, so this will be 10. Place value of 5, this will be 500, because this is the this is situated at the place of 100, so 5 into 100 will be 500. If question ask about the place value of 2, then this place value of 2 will be 2 into the place of 2. What is the place of 2? Place of 2 is 10th, means 2 into 1/10. If question ask about the place value of 5, where is 5? So 5 into 5 is at 10th 100th place. 100th means multiply 1 upon 100. So its place value will be 2 upon 10, or its place value will be 5 upon 100. So these are the place values of the numbers according to condition. Now expanded form, how will we write these numbers in expanded form? Suppose that this number we have to represent in expanded form. This 516, so this is 500 plus this is 10 plus this is 6 plus this is 2 tens, 2 upon 10 plus 5 hundreds means 5 upon 100. Suppose that there is 6 also, so this will be 6 thousands, 6 upon 1000. So this is simply the expanded notation or expanded form of the decimals or decimal numbers. I hope you have clear this. If we talk the other point concept, suppose that this is 516.25, this is 516.25. if we increase 0 in the right place, then the value of this decimal number will not be changed, because the 0, there is no importance of this 0. If we place the 0 in this side, 0 0 0 2 5, then this is the great change in these two numbers. So we can place 0 0 0 after the decimal in the right side. Suppose that this is 2052 upon 6 only, we can write this 52.60, 52.600, 52.6000. So we can write the 0, we can place 0 in the decimal part of any decimal number as we need according to our requirement. Okay students, now so in the next point we have to discuss the like decimals or unlike decimals. So like decimals and unlike decimals we will discuss. What are the like decimal and unlike decimal? You already know about the like fraction and unlike fraction. What are the like fractions? So the fractions, their denominators are same, are called like fraction, or the fractions, their denominators are different, called unlike fractions. Similarly for the decimals, this is 6.25 and this is 6.250. These two decimal numbers are unlike now, but to convert these decimals to like decimal, we can place here simply a 0, because there will be no change placing 0 after the decimal part, in the decimal part. So this will be 6.250. Now both the numbers have 1 2 3 decimal places, 1 2 3 decimal places. This number has 3 decimal place and this number has also 3 decimal place. So in other words, we can say easily we can convert the decimal number to the like decimal, unlike decimal numbers to the like decimal numbers. Again, take an example. Suppose that this is 25.4673. This is the number 25.4673, and another decimal number, this is 3.450. This is 3.450, and question is convert these are unlike decimals because it has 3 decimal places and it has 4 decimal places. So our main point is that to convert unlike decimal numbers into like decimal numbers, we have to make the equal decimal places. It has 4 decimal places, it has 3 decimal places. So our first step is to be taken, convert the decimal places equal. So we easily place 0 here, and now its decimal places will be 4. Then this will be 4. This number has 4 decimal places, this number has also 4 decimal places, and we can conclude that these two decimal numbers are like decimals.